Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. My name is Charlotte if you didn't know, and today's video I am going to be showing you how I sit down and teach my preschooler. I've been doing this for 2 months now, like strictly sitting down and just having about 15 minutes or so to ourselves, focusing on our task at the table. I'll show you everything from how it's organized, like the supplies, how we sit down and what I say, how she handles it, because sometimes she doesn't do so well with patience or understanding. I kind of talk through it and I show you what I do. No, it's not easy, and it's definitely a work in progress constantly, but that's normal. That's part of learning. The best thing you can do, at least for my child, is continue to build her up, not tell her she's doing it wrong. Of course, I say it sometimes. You'll see. Like, you just have to keep positive and keep telling her or him that they're doing a great job because they're trying. Whether they do it right or not, at least they tried. And that just encourages them to continue to try. That's what I'm gonna do today in this video. We do other activities as well that I'm not showing you today, which is with paints, chalk, coloring, stickers, reading. In this video I did not show you us reading. I show you books that we do read to help with eating and with listening skills. They're great books. Yeah, I'm just saying, like, there are other activities that we do besides this that are considered like preschool throughout the day or week. Also, feel free to follow me on my Instagram. I'm on there almost daily. I post all kinds of stuff about what we're doing throughout the day, or just achieving or adventuring out to do, because we live in Okinawa, Japan. My husband's a Marine, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, starting off, this is the setup that I have in her room. It's on the top shelf where she cannot get to it, but this is construction paper that we do with crafts and stuff with. Alright, markers. In this box I'll show you everything inside of it. And these are the two main books that I use for sit down, and then a couple reading books, sticker books, drawing books, that kind of thing. Alright, so inside here I've just got stamps. I've got black ink and different color inks, the ABCs, and some just different characters. Crayons, and then waterproof, or watercolors I should say, scissors, eraser, glue, and paint brushes. Alright, these are the two books. They're linked down below. Mealtime, Listening Time, really good. And this is just one craft that we did with that construction paper. She just glued on everything and told me what they were. It's a really good craft to do for learning. Alright, so over here we're just going to look at other books that you can use for teaching purposes. We started with the middle one, the Most, pen control, and they are dry erase. I just use regular dry erase stuff. And these are the two books that we use on the daily, Monday through Friday, and just some other supplies here. This is the folder that we put everything into when she is done. On the left is July, and on the right is August. Alright, here's the setup that I typically have. My son is 18 months and he usually naps during this time period when I'm sitting down with my daughter. But yeah, this is just the setup that I have. I have a reward there, as you can see, the sucker, and just my stapler and pin. Okay, call her over. She'll sit down patiently, pick out a page or two, and then I pick the other two out. Right now we're only doing 4 pages. We've got the markers, the listening time book just in case, and date. Alright, so we're going to start with this one. Here's the pen. Alright, in each row, circle the picture that is the same as the first one. Okay, in this row, pick the same. Which one is the same?
This one?
No, look at this one first. Which over here is the same as this one? Same.
These are not the same.
Circle the one that's the same.
This one?
Yep, circle. Okay, what about this one? Look at her body. Look at her clothes. Which one is the same? What color are her shorts?
Orange.
What are they over here?
Stripes.
Okay, which one's the same?
This one.
And?
This one.
Yes, circle it. Okay, what about down here? Which one's the same as this one?
This one.
Okay, circle it.
Where's the one?
Alright, same and different. And this cat is different from this cat. Yes? Different colors? In each row, circle the picture that is different from the first one. Is that one different? Circle it.
Yep, what about this one? Which one is different? Yep. Which one is different? Yep.
Draw lines from the picture that begin with V, V, to the letter V. Okay, yes. Go ahead.
Good job, vegetables. Good job. Violin.
Yes, violin. Good job. Where's any more V's? And what is that? Vase.
Train.
Okay, what's that?
Choo-choo train.
Yeah, does it start with a V?
No.
Okay, what about this one? Quail. It's a type of bird. Does that start with V?
No.
Good job. Does the umbrella start with V?
No.
Good job. Okay, all done there. I show them here our work. Val sending a Valentine. Find and circle the 5 hidden V's in the picture.
That's one.
Yep, 5 hidden V's.
Good job.
Now, write words with E. Just a minute. Are you listening? Use your listening ears, please. Say the name of each small picture. These are the small pictures. Say the name of it. What is that?
Elephant.
Yes?
Elephant.
Yes?
Elephant.
Okay. Write the letter that makes its beginning sound. Over here. What's elephant start with? What's elephant start with?
G. A. B. C. D. C.
No, elephant. L.
L. L. L. L. L. L.
That's tricky. What's elephant start with? What's that?
J. J.
It's okay. It's okay. You're okay. What letter is that? It's in your name.
A.
A, B,
B. C. D. E. E.
E. Yeah. Okay.
E.
E. Okay. So now we're gonna draw an E. Use your hand. Right here. I'm gonna help you with the first one. Okay. We're gonna start below the red line. Slow down. So we're gonna start below. See E. Yeah. Stop. Don't just draw. What's this letter right here?
H.
Good job. Sit up, please. I have a sucker for you. I have a sucker for you. If you just pay attention and do what I ask, you're doing a great job.
A. B. C. C. E.
E.
E. Okay.
Okay, all done. Okay, listen.
Ella.
Let's focus here, Ava. Do you want to move on to a different task?
No.
Okay. Take a breath.
I don't want to.
Okay. All right, we'll move on. Finding 4. Circle the images that you see 4 of in the picture. Do you see 4 cows? Do you see 4 cows? Don't circle anything yet. Do you see 4 cows?
Yeah.
How many cows do you see? Count them.
1, 2, 3.
Is that 4?
No.
Okay. How many haystacks? Haystacks. How many do you see there? 5? Is that 4? No. Okay. How many sheep do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. We're looking for 4 objects. Which one are there 4 of? Yes. Okay, circle them. Where's the hen? Okay, draw a line to the... Good job. This is J.
J.
We're looking...
Elephant.
We're gonna make an E.
Yeah.
Make an E. Good job. You did it. All done.
J-E-T. Say it with me. J-E-E-T. J-E-T. Say it again. J-E-T.
Okay, where's the jet? Draw the line. Good job. Okay, down here. What's this?
R.
Okay, now we need an E.
E. Try again. You're just doodling. So, we're going to write it up here. E.
E. What's this?
R.
Draw the line to red. What color is that?
Red.
What is that?
Chicken.
No. Hen.
Hen.
That's another name for it. What's
Jet.
that? Jet. Okay.
Okay, stop doodling. Okay, it's up. Yes, down here we're going to start and make an F.
Start at the dot. Good job. Down and 2 signs over. Good job. You did it. Okay, can you do it again right here?
Good job. Okay, that's it. We need 2 lines. 2 lines for F. That's it. Okay, down here. Trace those. Keep going. Good job. Good job. Now down at the bottom. Try again. You can't do it with me. No, that's a circle. That's it. Okay, we're going whoop.
Great job. You tried. That's good. Do it again. One more time.
Good job. You did it. Keep going. You did it. Good job. Alright, well done. Sucker.
Yep. Sucker time.
What do you say?
You're welcome. You did a great job today. You kept going. You did it without stopping. That's a good girl. So now we're going to do our name. What letter is that?
E.
Good job.
Good job. Okay. What's that? E. Good job. B. Good job. A. Alright, are these uppercase or lowercase, these ones? Uppercase. Is that lowercase or uppercase? Lowercase. Lowercase, okay. And this is uppercase. Good job. Okay, so down here, you're going to do your magic. All by yourself. Slowly. Slowly. Okay, go ahead.
Come on. You're doing a great job. So that's everything. I hope you learned a little bit through this or take some tips and tricks out of it. If you do, please leave a comment down below and let me know, or follow me on my Instagram like I said before. If you'd like to contact me, I'd love to hear from you. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Let me know if you want more videos like this, more ideas. I plan on doing some pinto lunch boxes, so look forward to that. See you later. Bye.